Hello, thank you very much for visiting our poster. We are Saeb.
Shunku.
Heiki.
We are a group of students from Kobe University, Japan. We are presenting a report of our observations of an asteroid at the Pine Mountain Observatory, University of Oregon. Asteroids are astronomical objects in the solar system, which are smaller than the planets. They have irregular shapes and are thought to be leftovers from the planet formation process. They could provide us with information on the early history of the solar system.
The goal of our observation was to get information on the three-dimensional shape of an asteroid, as well as its rotation period, by observing the change of the brightness. Asteroids are so small, and they look like just a point with normal telescopes. We cannot tell the shape from the image. The light we see from the asteroid is reflection of the sunlight. Since the shape of asteroids are asymmetric or non-spherical, the observed brightness changes as they rotate. The image is illustrated in Figure 2. The change of brightness gives us information on the asteroid's three-dimensional shapes. The asteroid that we observed was 283 Emma. It orbits around the Sun with a period of about 3 years. It rotates with a period of about 7 days.
Figure 3 to 6 in the poster shows the results. Although our observation covers a limited portion of the rotation period, the result is consistent with the previous research. You can see that our observation covers the portion around the brightness minimum and the following increase. This work shows that we can obtain research-grade data with the Pine Mountain Observatory. For more detailed explanation, please take a look at our poster.